is it mandatory to take vaccine? Yes, it is advisable to take vaccine. Justification for this is based on the research studies and on the guidelines given by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. We need to understand that COVID is a new virus. Our body doesn't have antibodies towards this virus. The researchers show that out of 100 people infected with COVID in India, 3 people die of COVID. By taking the vaccine, we make our body to create antibodies, which is called as artificial immunity. So in future, if we get the corona infection, we are protected with the stored antibodies and can withstand the fatality of infection. Who need to take the vaccine during this phase? The current phase is allocated to the people above 60 years and between 45 to 59 years with comorbidities. In general, who should not take the vaccine? Age group below 18 years, pregnant ladies, and breastfeeding mothers should not take the vaccine. As of now, no studies have proven for these categories. In future, when the research will be completed, these categories also will possibly be included. Secondly, the people who has the history of severe allergic reaction. It means allergy caused them in BP fall, breathlessness, giddiness that required hospitalization. Such people should hold the vaccination. But people with mild allergic reaction can go forward taking the vaccine. Who all can take the vaccine? All population except those just mentioned can take the vaccine, such as heart patients, diabetic patients, dialysis patients, kidney patients, liver patients, patients who underwent angioplasty, bypass, stroke patients, cancer patients, people on long-term immunosuppressants drugs therapy. All these people can take vaccination because they are under high risk category. And if such people contract COVID, a common observation is that they become critical. So if they take the vaccine, they create an artificial immunity by developing the antibodies within their body and can withstand the complication. What is the procedure to take vaccination? Vaccines are available at government and private hospitals. In private hospitals, the vaccine is to be paid with 250 rupees. You can self-register at a site www.cowin.gov.in or can directly go to a vaccine center in your locality and register there and take the vaccine. Remember, people from 45 years to 59 years with comorbidities should take the comorbidity certificate from doctor and go for vaccination. Let's all take the vaccine and save ourselves and others.